Early in the morning, apply this treatment on your skin. It will look so wonderful. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Consider subscribing, turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. So this remedy will keep your skin looking the best. Like anything you want your skin to be, is going to give you all that. So this is going to remove all stress, refreshing your look, keeping your skin not dried out. Your skin will look so beautiful with no makeup. This remedy will also help to treat dark spots, get rid of dead skin cells, so that your treatment, so that your products, your skincare products, will penetrate well and work well. The result will amaze you. This will also help to prevent sunburn. All this free radical damage like the sun, wind will not affect you. Use this treatment early morning, you will never regret it. First ingredient you have to get is green tea. So get any product of green tea. Green tea is an antioxidant that helps to delay signs of aging. It fights free radical damage that makes you age faster. So remove one tea bag from the bag. Then you have to insert in a bowl. Add hot water into the bowl. You are going to squeeze out the liquid of the this extract. You need the extract of this. So leave the hot water soaked for few minutes, about 2 to 3 minutes. Then squeeze it out and bring it out. So you have to keep that water separate. I will tell you how to make use of it later. So the next ingredient you have to get is oat powder. Oat powder does so many good things to your skin. It helps to keep your skin supple, clearer. It exfoliates the skin to remove dead skin cells. And you know what that means? Your skin will look clearer, brighter, and very neat. Also, it helps to fight free radical damage, like keeping your skin tighter, more younger, and vibrant. Go on and get oat powder. If yours is not like this, or oat powder is not very smooth, you have to turn it into a smoother one like this by using your blender. Blend it until it's smooth. So just get your oat powder. The next ingredient you have to add is turmeric. Turmeric I love so much, like I love it so much. This is something that gives you a clearer skin immediately. You will feel the glow, like instant glowing of your skin. Aside exfoliating your skin will glow beautifully and get tighter. Turmeric also helps to fight sunburn, like it helps to prevent sunburn. So applying this before you step out will give you that glowing, beautiful, natural look. So get your turmeric, and it's time to show you how to mix these ingredients together. Though I'm going to also tell you one more ingredient to add, but not now. So get your bowl, get your mixing bowl. Measure in 2 tablespoons of green tea extract. The green tea extract you kept aside, measure 2 tablespoons of it in a mixing bowl. Then you have to add 2 tablespoons of oat powder in the bowl. Mix them up, though it's still going to be thick, okay? Just keep it aside. Then you have to add pinch of turmeric, not too much. It's just a little. A little goes a long way. Or you can just add half teaspoon, just a little, into the bowl. Mix them up together. Then either you use rose water for mixing or you use ordinary water for mixing. I love rose water a lot because it keeps your skin looking so glowing, like seriously, for all skin type. Like this is going to help to balance the skin pH. Rose water is very healthy, like it will keep your skin very hydrated, glowing, and beautiful. So add it into the treatment little by little until the treatment forms a thick paste. You don't want this treatment to be watery, so you have to be careful while adding or mixing with water or rose water. So after mixing, wash your skin thoroughly, then apply this treatment on your beautiful skin. You will see that your skin will look the best. So I'm going to show you right now how to apply it on your skin for best results. So this is a treatment that you should apply early morning before you go out. So I've decided to show you how I apply it, okay? Though if you have been following my videos, you will see that this is my normal process. This is my normal method. I normally demonstrate how to make this treatment and also how to apply it, and also wash it off and show you guys. So I'm going to apply it right now to show you how it's done, and also to show you that I truly use this. Yes, I make use of them. So you have to mix very well before applying. Even if you stored it in the refrigerator, you want to use it next time. Whenever you want to apply, make sure you mix thoroughly so that the remedy will mix properly and become uniform once again. So you have to make sure you wash your face, remove all makeups and debts. Okay, make sure there are no makeups. Okay, make sure you remove all makeups so that this treatment will penetrate well into your skin. So you have to apply it all over your skin, like, you know, just everywhere. So you can use your hand to apply this treatment. Okay, you can use a brush, you can use just your hand. So if you are going to apply it on your face, make sure you apply on your neck as well, you know, so that everywhere will be uniform. So like the title says, apply it early morning to look beautiful with no makeup. This is not a lie. This is very effective and works perfectly. So what you have to do is to wash your skin anywhere you want to apply. If it's your face only, make sure you apply on your face and neck. If you want to apply it all over your body, go ahead and do so. So this is going to help to unify your complexion, exfoliate your skin, and give you a clearer skin. You can do this before applying a makeup. Like, you can just use this treatment so that when you apply your makeup, your skin will look very beautiful and smooth. You don't really need too much makeup. You must not apply makeup after this. So this is going to keep your skin very soft, supple, and so clear. So apply this treatment early morning just the way I did, or all over your body. Leave it on for 15 minutes, 20 minutes. After that, you wash it off. So you're going to see your skin looking so beautiful immediately. So I'm going to go right now to wash it off, and I'll be right back. So after washing it off, you see that your skin will get clearer. You know, it gets rid of dead skin cells. Your skin will look so neat, so beautiful. So with consistent use, you look younger. That is because this exfoliates the skin, this fights free radical damage that makes you age faster. Your skin will never look dull. This will help to brighten a dull skin. With consistency as well, it removes dark spots, dark marks. It makes you look beautiful all the time. So go on and apply this treatment. Leave it on for 20 minutes or above. Wash it off after that. Then apply a light moisturizer. So I usually apply my moisturizer, be it oil or any light moisturizer on my skin while it's still damp. As you can see, I didn't towel dry it. You know, I didn't dry it. So the water is still on my skin, and this is very important to enable the moisturizer to penetrate well into your skin pores. So you don't need to allow your skin to be so dry when you want to use your moisturizers, so that it will work perfectly. And this is one of the secrets that makes your lotion, your cream, your skincare products to work perfectly. After shower, come out, dry everything. Like, do not allow your body to be so dried. So I'm going to go right now, apply a light moisturizer if I want, and I'm all good. And that is all. Use this treatment 3 times weekly. Okay, only you can use this treatment every day or not. Yes, you can use it every day or not. You can use it 3 times weekly, but make sure you use it early morning. But in case you are rushing out, you can decide, okay, you will do it in the night. It's also very good. But I love mine early morning as I wake up. I just apply it and be doing my chores. Before you know it, it's dried. Then I'll wash it off. So this is just perfect to give you a very beautiful skin with no makeup. So go on and apply this treatment and you love it greatly. Thank you so much for watching. So store the remaining in the refrigerator. You can use it 2 more times or 3 more times. If it's only your face, you can use it like 2 more times. But if it's all over your body, you have to use everything. It may not be enough, so you have to increase all the quantities. Produce more of this if you want to apply it all over your body. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share this video to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.